Hey y'all, welcome to our last unit of the semester, demonstration speeches. Before I get into that though, I just want to say how proud I am of all of you so far this semester. These are extremely difficult circumstances, and you are still proving just how creative and thoughtful you can be. Thank you to the students who already submitted Poetry Slam videos. Many of them were outstanding, and if you have not watched through them yet, I might suggest you do that during some free time. You can see the passion some of your classmates have. It was wonderful to see all of you, and it was wonderful to see how much work you put into these. Now, on to these next 3 weeks. What we're going to be doing is learning how to give demonstration speeches, or what you may know as tutorials. Tutorials are almost like trainings where you are teaching the viewer something. It's essentially what I'm doing now. You are going to give a presentation teaching your classmates a skill. Before that, though, we're going to go through some of the best practices that will help you develop the skill of breaking down broad, possibly complicated topics into something that can be understood by a novice audience. So I have a few assignments this week you will need to look through on Classroom, and each assignment has a video attached explaining the expectations and instructions. So click through them as you at your convenience, and you will be able to understand what's expected of you. Thanks.